Hey everybody, it's me, Malik Tajari Bey from ApprovedCreditSolution.com. I'd like to thank you for taking interest in my website. As well, I'd like to congratulate you on your decision to repair your credit. So I'll tell you a short story about me. About 3 years ago, I was in a very bad financial situation. My credit was in the low 400s and I could not get approved for any lines of credit. So basically, economically, I was stuck. I was limited to only the finance that I could bring in from my job. And so what happened is at that time I was looking for solutions to my financial difficulties, and I found out a technique called credit repair. Now, I won't get into it in complete detail right now because I actually have a gift for you today, and that is a 4-part video series where I'm going to get into the details of how I personally repair my credit and how I help others to transform their financial situations by improving their credit score. Okay, so go ahead and enter your email address in the contact boxes below and get your free video series of the basics of credit repair. Okay, so once again, this is me, Malik Tajari Bey from ApprovedCreditSolution.com. I'd like to thank you for taking interest in my opportunity, and you have yourself a fantastic day.